When you're on site, the last thing you want to worry about is whether you captured the right documentation. Field Docs in XactRestore Pro guides you step by step, so nothing gets missed, and you can focus on getting the job done. In this video, we'll walk through how to use Field Docs at a lost site, from getting started on your mobile device to capturing readings, photos, adding equipment, and daily documentation. Let's get started. Open the XR Mobile app on your phone or tablet, then open the project you're working on. Within the project, tap the Field Docs icon to begin. If there are any documents that need to be completed at the start of the job, such as work authorizations, you'll be prompted to complete them right away. You can view the document or tap Create Submission to get started. Fill out any required information and sign if needed. Once all the required documents are completed, tap Start Field Documentation. You'll see a clear view of what information needs to be completed for this job. Anything marked in red is required and must be captured before you can move on. These requirements are set by your admin based on the type of loss, so you're always collecting the right information for this project. Start by collecting any required documentation for the project. These are prerequisites to adding a level and area. Next, you'll add a level. Give the level a name, and choose the appropriate category and class for the loss type. Tap Add Area to add rooms. Name the room, add what level it's on, and the required dimensions. You'll be guided through each step and only asked for documentation that applies to this specific job. This may include images, ambient and moisture readings, and material types. You'll manually enter the readings and attach photos to document and timestamp the data. These photos help support the readings and provide clear proof of site conditions. You'll also create a dry standard, which is an unaffected area used as a baseline for comparison. If any required information is missing, you'll see a red indicator notifying you. You can also tap the Alerts icon to see what information is still required, and the menu icon will show dates and how far along the project is. After documenting the room, you'll add all the equipment placed on site. Field Doc suggests recommended equipment and quantities based on the room size and affected area. Enter the equipment used and add any required documentation, then save your changes. When you return to the job site for daily monitoring, open the project and confirm that you're on site. If you are not on site or have an admin user type, you will not be able to add any of the daily monitoring information from the mobile app. Field Docs will guide you through the required daily readings for that visit. Anything marked with a red indicator needs to be captured before you continue. Once all required readings are complete, save and move on with the rest of your work. Once a room has reached its dry standard, you're ready to complete the job for that area. Start by confirming that all equipment has been picked up from the room. Update the equipment section to reflect the removal so the documentation accurately shows when drying was completed. Next, capture any required after photos. These images help document final conditions and show that the affected areas have been properly addressed. When all required information has been captured for the room, level, and project, the dry-out date will populate automatically. You can confirm this by tapping the menu icon and tapping Set Dates. At this point, you'll receive a notification that the project is ready to be reviewed. This review includes readings, media, and equipment entries to confirm everything required has been captured. You can also tap the menu icon and select Review and Submit to begin the review process. Once you've reviewed the field docs and everything is complete, check Approve Field Docs and then mark Project as complete to send the job for final inspection by an administrator. Submitting the job lets your admin know the work is complete and ready for review. No additional follow-up needed. Field Docs in XactRestore Pro helps you document each job consistently and accurately without slowing you down. By capturing the right information every time, you help reduce delays, avoid rework, and keep projects moving. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Xpert tips each week.